Today, we're going to show you how to install NetBeans on Windows 11. First, open your web browser and go to the official NetBeans website. In the address bar, type NetBeans download and press enter. You'll see the NetBeans homepage. Click on the Download button. On the download page, you'll see different options. We're going to download Apache NetBeans 21. Click on the link that says Apache NetBeans 21 bin Windows x64.exe. Click on this link to start the download. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click this file to start the installation. If a window pops up asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The NetBeans installation wizard will open. Click Next to begin. Read through the license agreement, then click I accept the terms in the license agreement. After that, click Next. Choose where you want to install NetBeans or leave it as the default. NetBeans needs the Java Development Kit, JDK, to run. If you don't have JDK installed, the installer will prompt you to install it. If you need help installing JDK, check out our previous video. The link is in the description below. If you already have it, just click Next. You'll see a summary of what will be installed. Click Install to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, go to the Start menu and type NetBeans. You'll see the NetBeans icon. Click on it to open NetBeans. NetBeans will take a few moments to load the first time you open it. Now, you're ready to start using NetBeans on your Windows 11 computer. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.